Hi, I'm Tyrell and I'm here to give you a quick tutorial of the student portal for the RCA House Points app. Let's jump right on in. The first thing you want to do once the app is downloaded is log in as a student. And you should receive this access code from one of your teachers or personnel from your school. And I'm simply logging in with a test account. Once I log in, I'm approached by this beautiful dragon, and then I'm here on my landing page. And here on your main dashboard, you can see an overview of all of your points, when you receive the points, and how many points you have in total. You can simply click each point to see the activity and to get a further description. As well, you can click the View More button. Down here at the bottom is your main navigation menu where you can see your school leaderboard and see who's exactly in first place. In this case, it's Amistad. And as well, this G at the top allows you to see the global leaderboard if you participate in the 4 RCA houses. The next feature is the reward store. Here you can cash in all of your reward coins for these cool items. And to do so, you simply select the item and hit confirm, and this sends a notification to your administrator, and your administrator will reach out and give you your reward. Also down here at the bottom, you can see your wallet where you see all of your transactions. I just spent 2 coins on candy, and I can see that pending until it's approved, and then I can see my recent transactions and coins earned. And if you want to log out on any page, you can simply hit the arrow at the top and click OK. And that's pretty much it. That's a quick tutorial to the student portal of the RCA House Points app. Thank you for watching.